Hello, part one. You need to check that you have the correct access rights to your storage account. For example, if I go here and check what I have assigned here, you can see that I have storage blob data owner. Even if I am the owner, if you don't have any of these data plane access role like this one, it won't work. So make sure that you have this type of role assigned to the storage account you are going to be using. Part two, make sure you authenticate to Azure. Open any terminal, use this command, then just copy this part here, go to any web browser, and then, oops, sorry, not this, copy the code from here, and then that's my account. Continue. Now I go back to the terminal, and it's telling me which subscriptions are there available, and I want that number 3 because that's where my storage account is located. And that's it. Step 3, a bit longer this one. Start DuckDB minus UI, so we can use the UI. And it opened in a new window. It doesn't matter, I have my window here. After that, you should come to your storage account and memorize the name, in this case data lake, and my initials. And then you create a secret. You can call it whatever you want, but then here you put the account name. And then I execute this, tell me that it succeeded. And then I go back to my storage account. I go to storage browser. I have blob containers. I have a blob container called datos prueba. And here I have a file that's, for example, the one I want to query. So I can copy the URL, go back to my DuckDB UI, and basically, as you can see, this was the URL I copied from there. And the only thing I have to do is replace this with AC. And then I just run the select. And as you can see, I'm querying a Parquet that is remote, that have 3 million records, and it basically took almost no time. Of course, if you have it locally, it will be faster because there is not network in between, but this is the way how you can query Parquet or CSV, whatever format DuckDB supports stored in a storage account in Azure. Thanks for watching.